Welcome to this full body Tai Chi walking routine that adds the arm movements of parting the wild horse's mane from the most popular Tai Chi style in the world, Yang Style. Target all the major muscle groups in your body in a gentle way that supports your joints and builds balance both physically and mentally. Ann Swanson here, and click that like button if you're ready to get started. And double check that you're not only subscribed, but you have the notification bell turned on to learn authentic Tai Chi walking and therapeutic movement set in breathtaking nature from a real person, not AI. Let's go ahead and come to standing and get started. Feet a little wider than hip distance apart. Inhale, bring the arms up. Exhale, sink. Let's warm up our joints. Inhale, get taller. And exhale, sink. Bend into the knees a little bit more. Gather the energy for your practice, for your day. Exhale, let it settle. Let's bring our hands to our hips to start. Turn the toes facing out as we practice some of the footwork to help us with balance. Shift the weight over. And empty foot, the foot without weight in it, it goes forward, heel down, toes down. Now make sure you can lift it. Good, test. And then we'll shift forward. Make sure you're staying upright, you're not leaning. Back heel is down. Come on back. And come on to center. Turn the toes facing out. And other side. Heel down, toes down. Test. Lift it. You should be able to lift it. Notice if you jumped forward, you leaned forward into it too quickly, because now we're going to commit and go forward into it. Come on back. Let's add the punches to this warm-up. Hands and soft fists. Shift your weight to one side. Empty foot forward, heel down, toes down, and gently punch as you shift forward. Come on back. Toes facing out. Shift back over. Heel down, toes down. Now shift into it as you punch. Good. Let's do one more set of these. It's all about the weight transfer. Now, come on back to center and let's step a little away and review the footwork of Tai Chi walking, which adds that plus more. So you'll put your hands on your hips, or you can place them on your dantian by putting your thumb in your belly button, dropping the hand down, other hand on top. Toes are facing out 45 degrees or less if that's more comfortable, and bring the empty foot to tap. I suggest to bring your weight to this foot. It'll become a lot easier to follow along. Bring your weight over to this side. And then bring this foot down, heel down, toe down, like we just practiced. Shift forward, come back, lift the toes up, turn out 45 degrees or less, depending what feels right for your knees. Come forward and tap. Heel down, toes down, foot is empty. Weight forward, test the ground. Weight back, lift the toes up, turn out with your dantian. So the dantian drives the motion, but the back knee stays stable. It doesn't fall inward. Keep it stable in the direction of the toes. Knees in line with toes in both cases. Place the foot down and come in to tap. That's the footwork. I have whole videos that break that down if you want to go deeper into that. Let's do just the arms, which the arm motions of parting the wild horse's mane are so relaxing. We're gonna bring the hands over to this side like you're holding a ball, a beach ball, and you're holding it a little away from your body. So it's not super close in. It's not reaching far out. You got a nice bend into your elbows, holding it away from your body. Now, this top hand is going to diagonally go down to your hip, and the other hand's going to diagonally go up. So they both go in a diagonal. Now, flip both palms and hold the ball on the other side. Remember, not too close, not too far. Find that middle way and go diagonal. Gently turn and flip. Let's add that little bit of a turn. Diagonal and turn as you flip. Diagonal and turn as you flip. Now let's shift our weight to this side and practice weight transference while we're doing this. We're going to diagonal and go over to this side mostly, and then when we flip and turn, bring it 100% to this side. The other foot's just there like a kickstand. I could technically lift it, but I'm going to keep it down. So my hands are over this knee, not twisted really far, just over the knee. We're going to go diagonal, hand down right in front of the hip, other hand forward as we're partially shifted over to this foot. Then we shift fully over as you flip and hold that ball. Let's get into a flow with it. Diagonal and flip. Diagonal and flip. Diagonal and flip. Try it on your own. Another thing about this diagonal is it's in two directions. You can see it from the front, but also from the back. One hand goes back and the other hand forward. There's a double direction diagonal, lots of curves in the motion. Beautiful. Let's put the arms and legs together to do parting the wild horse's mane. You're going to step back away from your screen so you have room to walk forward. Turn your toes facing out. Shift your weight over to one foot, to this foot over here. Empty foot taps. And then you're going to bring the top hand to the side where your weight is. The bottom hand scoops under, so this foot and this hand are ready to go. So we're going to pause. You're slightly in the diagonal, knees and toes in line for this weighted toe here. Pause. Begin. Heel down, toes down. Now diagonal as you shift forward. Weight back, lift the toes up, turn out and start to flip the hands as you come forward to tap. Now you're magically on the other side, ready to go. Heel down, toes down, diagonal. Weight back, toes out. Flip the palms and come into tap. Heel down, toes down, diagonal. Weight back, toes out. Flip the palm, come into tap. Heel down, toes down, diagonal. Weight back, toes out, flip the palms, come into tap. If you have room, we'll do one more step. Maybe you have to go super small. Heel down, toes down, diagonal, weight back, toes out, flip the palms and tap. Release your hands down, take a deep breath. Let that energy settle. Whatever happened, happened. It gets smoother with time, shake it out. And let's try to smooth it out a little bit more. Step back, we'll do it together. 3 steps forward. So shift over. Actually, let's do 2. So 1 on each side. Shift the weight over. Hold the balls on the top hand, same side as the weighted leg. And we'll begin. Heel down, toes down, diagonal, shift. Weight back, toes out, flip. Hold and tap. Heel, toes, diagonal, back, out, flip. Hold, and you can tap or hover. Heel, toes, diagonal, back, out, flip. Tap or hover. Heel, toes, diagonal, back, out, flip, and release, down. Take a deep breath. Let your energy settle. Tap your thighs, shake it out, and you're gonna march in place and tap the top of your thighs with a loose fist, loose wrist, and then the outer thighs. Let those muscles relax. Inner thighs. We'll go to our chest, down the top of one arm, inside of that arm, and then the top of the other arm, inside. Little Qigong massage. Take all your muscles, squeeze even your face, and release. Let's go right into inhale, arms come up. Exhale, sink. Let your energy settle. Notice how you feel. Knowing you can come back to this movement, to this video, to get this nice and smooth. I hope you continue to practice on your own and go to AnnSwansonWellness.com/walk for a free gift to learn Tai Chi walking from the beginning through the different types, forward, backwards, sideways. That link will be in the first comment. So head to the comments, let me know how you feel, and join the Tai Chi Walking Challenge for free. Thank you so much and be well.